How to edit a presentation. How to generate a script. Click the Generate Script text button. Specify the length of the output script. Choose the script language. In the text field, enter the prompt for AI. This text will clarify the task for artificial intelligence. You can generate a short or long script version. To generate for both, check the box Generate also for long script. Once you have entered all required information, click the Generate button to start the process. After the script is generated, you will see the output text on your screen. Review the generated text and make any changes needed. Once you have generated or entered the text script manually, the Translate the Script button will appear in the script generation window. Choose a language and click Translate. Click the Save button to return to the general editing window. Repeat the process for all slides you want the script to be generated. How to add a voice commentary. Enriching your presentation with your voice is a breeze with two options. You can record your message directly on the page or upload an audio file from your computer. To record, click the Start button, grant microphone access, instantly record the sound once access is granted. Feel free to press pause whenever needed. To end recording, simply click on the Stop button. Preview the result and, if necessary, delete or re-record it to perfection. To upload a pre-recorded audio file, click the upward pointing arrow button. A browser window will appear, allowing you to select the file from your computer. How to generate a voiceover. Prepare the text you want AI to voice over. You can voice over the script that is already made. Enter the text manually when the generation window opens. Click on the Generate Voiceover button, choose the type of voice you prefer from the available options. Click the Generate button to start the process. Once the audio is generated, you can listen to it. Click the Save button to return to the general editing screen. How to add video commentary. Similar to the options for adding a voice commentary, you can enhance your presentation by using your own videos or by creating your virtual AI avatar. How to add your own video. Click on the Start button under Record or upload a video to the slide. Grant permission to access your camera. When you're ready to record your video, simply click Start. To finish, click Stop. Preview the recorded video. If adjustments are needed, you can easily delete it and re-record. You can also download the recorded video or upload a ready-made video from your computer. How to generate an avatar. Create an avatar that will speak and interact for you. Click on Create Video with AI Avatar. In the opened window, choose the source for the photo you'd like to use for your AI avatar. You can upload an image from your computer or select one from our template library. In the Enter Your Prompts field, you will have a previously generated or manually added text script. You can modify it or leave it as it is to generate the avatar speech. Choose the voice for your video. Similar to audio generation, you have the freedom to select a character and convey a specific mood through the voice. When you select all the options you want to task the AI, click on Generate button to initiate the video creation process. When the video is ready and you are satisfied with the result, don't forget to click Save. Your avatar is now on the slide. You can customize its positioning and size. Click on the video to highlight it. Change its position on the slide by dragging it to the preferred location. Zoom in or out by resizing the video. When all actions with slides are done, you can go to the preview mode by clicking on the eye icon in the top panel, and see how your presentation will look to the viewer.